Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you every single step of my best hair routine for healthy and shiny curls. It honestly took me years before I finally found a routine that was natural, simple, budget friendly and suitable for traveling. So if in sharing all this can help you finding what works best for you, that would really be a win. So I wash my hair once a week. It can be more if I go swimming or if I sweat a lot, like in the summer, for example. So the very first step consists in detangling my hair with a wide tooth comb. The one I'm using right here is made from bamboo. I've been using this one for something like 7 years now. I love it so much. You can find the same one on Amazon with the link down below in the description. It's very important to detangle your hair from the bottom to the root to avoid breaking the hair. Try to do this step on dry hair rather than wet hair, as wet hair tends to be weaker and more prone to breakage and damage. Next, it's time to nourish my hair with an oil bath. I try to do this every 4 to 6 weeks. This hugely helps my hair to get healthier and stronger in the long run. Here I've been using a macadamia nut oil, but I also like to use coconut or avocado oil. So I just spread the oil everywhere and I really pay particular attention on the ends that are always drier. Most times I leave it on for something like 2 hours, but if you can extend and do this overnight, it's even better. When the processing time is over, it's time to give this hair a nice wash. I've been using a solid shampoo for years now. They are my favorite. Eco-friendly and money-saver, they fit in the palm of your hand and are as efficient as any shampoo. The one I use is free from any toxic chemicals that are very damaging for the hair and cruelty-free. You can also find it down below in the description. Nothing fancy here, I just apply my shampoo on my head and give my scalp a nice scrub before moving down to the ends. Sometimes all baths can require a second shampoo, but it wasn't the case here, so we are just moving on to the rinse. Try to use temperate rather than hot water on your hair, as this could be really aggressive to your hair. I give my hair a little squeeze to remove the excess water before putting on an hair mask who's gonna help moisturizing and nourishing my hair once again. Yeah, I know that's a lot of moisturizing things. I apply the mask only on the length and I give them a gentle massage to spread it nicely. I like to use this opportunity to give my hair its last detangling session. I leave the mask on for 5 minutes or so, just the time it takes me to wash my body and shave if I have to. Then we are finally having the final rinse here. I like to use cold water for the last rinse as it really makes my hair shinier once dry. I drain my hair doing this crunching method. This helps my curls to start to get into shape. Then I grab my microfiber towel that you can also find in the description if you would like to get one. If you don't have one, it is perfectly fine, just use a normal cotton shirt. So yep, just wrapping up my hair into this towel to help them dry while I'm getting dressed. Okay, we are almost done with our curly mop. I take the towel off before proceeding to a very important step for pretty and defined curls. the leave-in conditioner application. I'm alternating between two different leave-in at the moment. I like them both, but I have a preference for the Curlsmith one, as this one makes my hair bouncier and also because the product composition is very clean. I use a decent amount of product to apply it on my hair branch by branch. Then I use my hands to scrunch every hair section onto my scalp. This scrunching method is to me the best one to conserve pretty curls and help them getting a good definition. When I'm done with this, I use a lower support like a table or it could be your bed for instance, in order to press my curls against my scalp. There's also a keep on here as this is the best way to preserve the curl's shape. When I got everything on top of my head, I form a tiny little bun with it to tie it up with a scrunchie. Then I will just let my hair dry on its own overnight. Morning and time to let those curls leave. I just let my hair down and place them as I want to be with my fingers. Then I put a tiny amount of leave-in conditioner once again just to give my hair a last nourishing scrunch. And voila! We are now done with my curly hair routine. Yes, I know it is quite of a long process, but that's exactly what it takes to have a pretty curly mop of hair. I truly hope this video helped you out, and feel free to ask me your questions in the comments if you have any. I will be more than glad to answer them. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel to see more of them. I will see you guys in the next one. Take big care.